This is a 2014 Ford Fusion SE with the ruby red metallic paint. It has the black cloth interior. It's got the 2.5 4-cylinder. We just put 4 brand new tires on it, so we're good to go there. You can see a scratch down the back side here. See the tires. General G Maxes. Has the LED blinkers on the side here. And then you have a door keypad entry that you can type in your code and enter the vehicle. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. This has AM, FM, as well as XM radio. You have the single zone climate control. You have a 12-volt port down there and a little cubby hole that you can enter from both left, right, and the middle here. There's your Sync by Microsoft. That's the Bluetooth system. Bluetooth, music, and phone calls. There's your cruise control. 48,627 miles. Push button for the trunk, just to pop it open. Automatic headlights. You have the gloss black accents, your parking brake. You have a little storage tray here with a auxiliary USB 12-volt port in there. You can put this tray back. Illuminated entry. You do have a locking glove box that has the owner's manual, window sticker, and the McGuard wheel locks. So I have screenshots of this window sticker in the photo section so you can see it up close and in detail. It has the black cloth seats, and it has some white accent stitching. There's a power driver seat. It's kind of a close-up of the stitching. These seats do fold down, give you access to the trunk. There's a folding cup holder / armrest. There is a 12-volt outlet down there. There's your air vents. It's got the black on the bottom and the tan up top. And there's a push button here to pop open the trunk, where you'll find your spare tire. There's your keyless entry.